In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change network in TrustWallet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to fill out so you can use the correct blockchain for your tokens and dApps. Start by opening the TrustWallet app on your device. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to do that first so the menus match what you see here. From the main wallet screen, look to the top right and tap the small filter icon. This is the control that lets you manage which assets and networks are visible in your wallet. On the screen that appears, choose Manage Crypto. This section is where TrustWallet organizes supported blockchains and tokens, and it's the place you'll use when you want to add a network that isn't already listed by default. Now tap the plus sign in the top right corner. This opens the form to add a custom network. You'll use this when you want to interact with a blockchain that isn't preloaded in your wallet or when you need a specific RPC for better reliability. You'll see fields for network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and symbol. Here's what each one means and how to approach them. Network name is just the label you'll see in your wallet, so use the official name to avoid confusion later. The RPC URL is the endpoint your wallet talks to in order to read data and send transactions. Always copy this from the network's official documentation to avoid unreliable or malicious endpoints. Chain ID is a unique number that distinguishes one blockchain from another. If it's incorrect, transactions can fail or go to the wrong chain, so double check it carefully. Symbol is the ticker for the network's native coin, like ETH, BNB, or Matic, and it's what gas fees will be charged in on that network. Before you paste anything, a quick safety reminder. Never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone, and don't enter them on any website or form claiming it's required to add a network. You only need the public network details listed in the official docs. If the RPC URL doesn't respond or seems slow, verify it or use another reputable endpoint from the same official source. Once you've filled in those fields accurately, TrustWallet will save the network and make it available in your asset list. From there, you can interact with tokens on that chain and use dApps that require it. If something doesn't load, refresh the app and confirm you're on the intended network, and remember that gas must be paid with the network's native coin. That's it. Your network is now set up in TrustWallet.